everyone! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, where every line, every color, and every smile brings your favorite characters to life. Today, I tried something new, stepping away from Disney characters to explore the world of anime. I drew two beautiful anime girls, Hana and Rika. Let's jump into this fun anime art adventure together. Now let's draw Rika, full of energy and sparkle. Her hairstyle is fun and spiky, totally different from Hana's calm look. I sketched Rika with a bright smile and a fun pose, showing her confidence and bold style. Now for Rika's coloring. I used bold colors. Bright red for her outfit, dark brown hair with orange highlights, and a splash of yellow for her accessories. She really pops off the page. Together, Hana and Rika show two sides of anime magic: sweet and strong, calm and cool. Started with Hana. I carefully drew her soft eyes, long flowing hair, and her sweet expression. Her pose shows her gentle and graceful personality. She's calm, elegant, and full of charm. Time to color Hana. I use soft pinks and lavender shades for her dress, light brown for her hair, and soft blush tones to bring out her gentle features. She looks like she walked right out of a magical anime world. I love drawing and coloring them, and I hope you'll enjoy watching too. If you love anime characters and colorful creations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zoonitoons, where your favorite cartoons come to life, one color at a time.